Hello! Welcome to Talk Emma Learn English. Here, we learn English by talking, listening, and practicing together.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Emma, and this is Jack. We make videos to help you speak English every day.
Yes, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Today, we are talking about shopping for clothes.
We will practice listening, learn useful phrases, and have a fun conversation. Are you ready?
Let's begin. Jack, do you like shopping for clothes?
Sometimes. I like it when I find something good, but sometimes it's tiring, you know?
Oh, I know. I love it, but my wallet doesn't love it.
Yes, exactly. So today, we will learn how to talk in a shop.
That's right. We will learn how to ask for help, how to talk about size and color, and how to pay.
It will be very useful for your next shopping trip.
Let's imagine we are going shopping together.
Oh, I need new shoes, actually, so yes, let's go.
Good. The first thing is walking into the shop. What happens?
Someone says hello?
Right. An employee might smile and say, "Hello, welcome. Can I help you find something today?"
And if I know what I want?
You can say, "Yes, please. I'm looking for running shoes." Or, "Yes, I need a warm coat for winter."
And if I don't want help, maybe I feel shy.
That's okay. You can say, "No, thank you. I'm just looking around." It's very polite.
I'm just looking. Got it. So then I walk around, I see a nice blue shirt.
Okay, good. But you want to touch it to see the material. You can say, "This is soft," or ask me, "What do you think of this?"
What do you think of this shirt, Emma?
I like the color, but is it for you or for me?
For me. Do you think it's nice?
It is nice, but maybe you should check the size. Look for the tag.
The tag. Here. It says large. What if I need a different size?
You can ask an employee. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me?
Perfect. Then, "Do you have this in a medium?"
Do you have this in a medium?
Or, "Do you have this in a smaller size?" Now, what about color? If the blue is not good.
I want black. So, do you have this in black?
Excellent. Now, let's say they have your size and color. The next step is very important.
Buying it?
Not yet. First, you must try it on. You need to see if it fits.
Right. So I ask, can I try this on?
Yes. Or, where are the fitting rooms? Or, where is the changing room?
Changing room, fitting room, same thing?
Same thing. They will show you. You go in, you try the shirt.
And then I look in the mirror. Oh no.
Oh no, what's wrong?
It's not good. The sleeves are very long.
So you can say, "It's too big," or specifically, "The sleeves are too long."
It's too big. The sleeves are too long.
What else? If the shoulders are wide?
It's too wide.
It's too wide in the shoulders. Good. If it's small?
It's too small. It's too tight.
Yes, it's too tight. Perfect. But Jack, what if it's good? What if the shirt is perfect?
Then I smile and say, it's good.
You can say, "It fits perfectly," or "It's just right. I like it."
It fits perfectly. I like it. I'll take it.
There you go. "I'll take it" means I will buy it. Great. So you leave the fitting room with the shirt. Now, time to pay.
I go to the counter.
The cashier will take the shirt. Sometimes they ask, "Did you find everything okay today?"
And I say, yes, thank you.
Good. Then they tell you to price. That's $45, please.
How much? 45? That's expensive.
Maybe. You can ask, "Is this on sale?" before you try it on.
Oh, right. Is this on sale? Good question.
But today, we buy it. You need to pay. You can use cash or card.
Can I pay by card, is what I always say.
Me too. They might say, "Sure, insert your card here." Then you wait for the receipt.
The receipt is important.
Very important. If the shirt has a problem, you need the receipt to return it.
Return it.
Yes, maybe you go home and your brother says, Jack, this is not your style.
Haha, okay. So I come back to the shop. I say, I'd like to return this, please.
You give them the receipt and the shirt. They might ask, is there a problem?
And I say, no problem. It's just not right for me.
Perfect. You did it. You shopped for clothes in English.
It seems easier when we talk about it together.
It is easier. The most important thing is to not be afraid to ask, excuse me, do you have? Can I try? These are your best friends in a shop.
My best friends are you and these phrases.
I'm happy to be a friend, not just a phrase. Okay, let's practice some more specific situations. Now, let's go through 50 essential phrases for shopping for clothes. Jack, can you help me?
Sure, Emma. These are phrases we use all the time. Let's start from the beginning. When you enter, an employee might say, hello, can I help you?
Right. Can I help you is the most common question in any shop, and you can answer in two ways. If you want help, you say, yes, please.
And if you don't need help right now?
You say, no, thank you. I'm just looking. I'm just looking is a very polite and useful phrase. It means you are browsing, not ready to buy yet.
Good to know. Okay, so I'm looking. I see a shirt. I like it, but I want a different color. How do I ask?
You say, excuse me, do you have this in blue? Excuse me is the polite way to start talking to an employee you don't know.
Excuse me, do you have this in blue? Or do you have this in a large size? Size is small, medium, large, or numbers.
Perfect. Now, what if you can't find the size on the shelf?
I ask, do you have this in a smaller size, or do you have a bigger size?
Exactly. They might say, let me check for you. That means they will go look in the storage room.
And if they don't have it, what's that phrase?
They might say, I'm sorry, it's out of stock. Out of stock means they don't have any more. Or, we don't have your size.
Okay, but let's say they have it. I want to try it on. So I ask, where are the fitting rooms? Or where is the changing room?
Yes, fitting room and changing room are the same. It's the small room where you try clothes. You can also ask, can I try this on?
Then I try the shirt. I look in the mirror. Oh, it's not good. The arms are too long.
So you tell me it's too big, or the sleeves are too long. Sleeves are the parts that cover your arms. You can say too tight, too short, too loose.
But if it's perfect, it fits perfectly. Fit means how the clothes feel on your body.
Wonderful. And then you decide, I'll take it. That means you will buy it.
But first, maybe I ask about the price. How much is this? Or how much are these jeans?
Good. They tell you the price. Then you might think, that's expensive. You can ask, is this on sale? On sale means it costs less than the original price.
What if I see a sign that says 50% off?
That means you pay half the price. 50% off is a very good sale.
I like those. Okay, I decide to buy. I go to pay. I ask, can I pay by card or do you take credit cards?
Yes, and they might ask debit or credit, or would you like a bag?
Yes, please, for the bag. Then they give me the receipt.
The receipt is the small paper. Always keep it. If there is a problem, you need it.
Like if I get home and my mom says, Jack, green is not your color.
Haha, exactly. So you come back. You say, I'd like to return this, please. Return means give it back and get your money.
And I need the receipt. They might ask, is there a problem with it?
And you can say, no, it's just not right for me, or it doesn't fit. Sometimes you don't want money back, you want a different item.
So I ask, can I exchange this? Exchange means take this and give me something else.
Right. They might ask, do you have the receipt? Always say, yes, here you are.
Let's talk about materials. I like soft shirts. How do I ask?
You can touch the shirt and ask, what material is this? Or say, this is a nice material. They might say it's cotton or it's wool.
And for washing, I don't like ironing.
A very important question. You ask, is this machine washable? That means, can I wash it in a washing machine?
And does this need ironing?
Yes, they might say, no, it's non-iron. That's the best, haha.
What if I'm shopping for a gift, not for me?
You can tell the employee, I'm looking for a gift. They might ask, what's your budget? Budget means how much money you want to spend.
And if I don't like anything in the end?
You can say, thank you for your help. I'll think about it. Or, that's all for today. It's polite.
And when I leave?
The cashier will often say, thank you, have a nice day. And you can say, you too, goodbye.
We covered so many phrases, from hello to goodbye.
We did. Remember, you don't need to use all of them. Just start with, excuse me, and can I try this on? That's a perfect start.
Emma, I have a question. We keep saying fitting room. What does that mean exactly? We use it a lot for shopping.
Ah, fitting room. That's a great place to start. It means the small, private room where you try on clothes before you buy them. You take the clothes in, close the door, and see if they fit. For example, excuse me, where are the fitting rooms?
I see. So I could say, I need to go to the fitting room to try these jeans. And what about receipt? You always tell me to keep it.
Yes. The receipt is the small piece of paper you get after you pay. It's your proof of purchase. It lists what you bought and how much you paid. For example, keep your receipt in case you need to return anything.
Okay, so if I lose the receipt, returning is very difficult. Got it. What does on sale really mean?
On sale means an item has a lower price than usual. The store is selling it for less money. For example, this jacket is usually $100, but today it's on sale for $70. It's a good thing.
Oh, I like things that are on sale. What about out of stock? That's a sad phrase, I think.
It can be sad. Out of stock means the store doesn't have that item available right now. They sold all of them. For example, I'm sorry, but this sweater is out of stock in your size.
So you have to wait or go to another shop. Another word, cashier. Who is that?
The cashier is the person who works at the payment counter. They take your money, use the register, and give you your receipt. You say hello and goodbye to the cashier. For example, the cashier was very friendly and helped me.
The cashier at that store always smiles. Okay, what is browse?
To browse means to look at things in a shop in a relaxed way, without a specific goal. You're just looking. It's what you do when you are just looking. For example, I like to browse in bookshops on Saturday.
So, we browsed for an hour before we bought anything. And the opposite, if I know what I want?
Then you are looking for something specific. I'm looking for a black coat. That's different from browsing.
I understand. Let's talk about clothes words. What is a blouse?
A blouse is a word for a nice shirt, usually for women. It's a little more formal than a t-shirt. For example, she wore a white blouse to the office.
And sweater?
A sweater is a warm piece of clothing you wear over a shirt. It's made of wool or cotton. For example, when it's cold, I wear a big, comfortable sweater.
Perfect for winter. What does sleeveless mean?
Sleeveless means an item has no sleeves, like a sleeveless dress or a sleeveless top. For example, in summer, I like to wear sleeveless dresses.
And try on. We use it a lot.
To try on is the action you do in the fitting room. You put the clothes on your body to see if they fit and if you like them. For example, can I try on these shoes, please?
Very important action. What is an exchange?
An exchange is when you give back the item you bought and get a different one instead. You don't get money, you get a different item. For example, I need to exchange this large shirt for a medium.
And refund?
A refund is when you give back the item and get your money back. For example, the store gave me a full refund when the jacket had a problem.
Good to know. What about discount? Is it the same as on sale?
They are similar. A discount is a reduction in price. On sale is the state of the item. You can say, I got a 20% discount on this bag, or this bag is on sale with a 20% discount.
So they are friends. What is checkout?
The checkout is the place or counter where you pay. It's also called the register. For example, you can pay at the checkout over there.
And when you are ready to pay, the cashier rings up your items?
Yes, to ring up means to scan the items and put the prices into the register to calculate your total. For example, the cashier rang up my purchases quickly.
I have one more. What does "it suits you" mean? You sometimes say that to me.
Ah, it suits you is a nice thing to say. It means the clothes look good on you. The color and style are good for you. For example, that blue shirt really suits you, Jack.
Oh, thank you. That's a phrase I like. So, that hat suits you, Emma.
Thank you. See, you're learning all the important words, from the fitting room to the checkout, and even how to give a compliment.
We talked a lot about shopping for clothes today.
We really did, Jack. It was a long lesson, but so useful. I hope everyone was listening carefully.
Me too. Let's think about what we did. First, we talked about walking into the store. We learned the first phrases like, "Can I help you?" and "I'm just looking."
That's right. Those first words are so important to feel confident. Then we practiced how to ask for things. Do you remember, Jack?
Let me see. We learned, "Do you have this in blue?" and "Do you have a larger size?" Asking questions is the key.
It is. And then the fitting room, a very important place.
Where are the fitting rooms? And can I try this on? Then you look in the mirror and decide.
And you have to say what you think. It's too tight, it's too loose, or the best one, it fits perfectly. I'll take it.
I like that one. Then we go to the cashier. We talk about price with "How much is this?" and "Is this on sale?"
And finally, we pay. Can I pay by card? Here's your receipt. And even what to do later. I'd like to return this.
We learned so many phrases and all the vocabulary. Fitting room, receipt, cashier, exchange.
Exactly. You practice listening for a long time. Then you repeat it after us. That was great. You all did a wonderful job.
Really. Remember, you don't need to memorize everything today. Just try to remember 2 or 3 new phrases. Use them next time.
Yes, practice a little English every day, even if you just say the phrases to yourself. It makes a big difference.
Confidence grows slowly, like a plant. Water it every day with a little practice.
That's a beautiful way to say it, Jack. So, our question of the day for you is, what is one item of clothing you love to shop for? Is it comfortable shoes, a warm jacket, nice t-shirts? Tell us your favorite.
Yes, please write your answer in the comments below. We read every comment and we love to hear from you. It makes us so happy.
It really does. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Learning English is a journey, and we are so happy to be part of your journey.
If you liked this lesson, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel for more everyday English conversations. It helps us so much to keep making videos for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and be kind to yourself. Goodbye.
Bye for now. See you next time.